Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in trading tech to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: connecting your Charles Schwab account to TradingView in 2025. If you're tired of switching between platforms for charts and trades, this step-by-step guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have everything synced up and ready to go, giving you real-time data and seamless analysis right at your fingertips. First things first, why bother connecting these two? TradingView is a powerhouse for charting and technical analysis, while Charles Schwab offers robust brokerage services. Linking them means you can execute trades directly from TradingView using your Schwab account, saving you time and reducing errors. Plus, with 2025's updated APIs, the process is smoother and more secure than ever. Let's jump into the steps. Start by logging into your Charles Schwab account on their website or app. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for security. It's a must in today's digital world. Once you're in, head to the Account Settings or API Access section. Here, you'll need to enable third-party integrations. Look for the option to generate an API key or grant permission specifically for TradingView. This might involve verifying your identity, so have your details ready. Now, switch over to TradingView. Log into your account, then go to the Settings menu. It's usually in the top right corner. Navigate to the Brokers or Connections tab. You'll see a list of supported brokers. Select Charles Schwab from the options. Enter the API key you generated from Schwab, along with any other required details like your account number. Hit Connect, and TradingView will handle the rest, prompting you to authorize the link. If you run into any hiccups, like connection errors, double-check that your Schwab account has the latest updates and that you're using the correct credentials. Sometimes, firewall settings or browser issues can cause problems, so try a different device if needed. And just like that, you're all set. Now you can analyze charts on TradingView and trade through Schwab without missing a beat. This setup is perfect for 2025's fast-paced markets. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.